Yo, it's me, Chris Starkey88, and I have on these cool glasses. And it's cool because I say so. Most people don't agree with me when I say that. Well, shame on them. Yep, I was drinking me a can of Mountain Dew. Wrong can, that's Mountain Dew Voltage. I was drinking me a can of Mountain Dew, and it's 66, no, 46 years old. Ah! This is an old can. Mountain Dew came out in 1964. Wow, I like an old soda. Um, and I guess this is what it originally looked like. So when you're drinking a Mountain Dew throwback, you might be drinking a soda that's over 40 years old. Um, what else? Yeah. You ever wonder why they call it the 5-second rule? There ain't no such thing as the 5-second rule. Whenever you drop food on the floor and you pick it up within 5 seconds, it's still good. That's a bunch of lies. The only rule there is as soon as it touches the floor, it's dirty, it ain't no good rule. And the 5-second rule is a bunch of lies and nonsense. Just like, I got nothing. Last second. There. Now you got a better view of me. And I like it. I'm so crazy, loony, weird, strange, bizarre, and it's not even funny. Okay, it is funny, just not that funny. Excuse me. My nose is just, my feet are just, my everything is just, you need to give me a special effects web camera. That would be awesome. I could do all kinds of crazy things with it, like, what was I talking about again? I forgot. Oh, um, this is my headphones. I am listening to music, sweet music, and it came unplugged. Ah! Yep, like I said, I am so weird, strange, bizarre, loony, that I don't even make sense half the time. Yep, and these glasses make me look cool. It's like I could take them off and put them on and be like, whoa, everything is huge. These lenses are so powerful. That door over there looks like it's 7 foot tall. Maybe it is something for Todd, I don't know. Wow, I look awesome when I do You might not want to watch if you get dizzy real easy. Of course, you might need to watch anyway so you can tell what time it is. Oh yeah. My favorite song is the most touching, the most moving song in the world. It's very inspiring. It inspired me to change my ways. The name of the song is I Like to Move It, Move It. It's from the movie Madagascar. Or maybe it's from Madagascar, the movie. I'm not sure which one it is. What was I talking about again? I forgot. Some people think I have a short memory. 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 Oh. Sorry, I forgot I said that. Like 5 times in a row. Gets annoying, doesn't it? Doesn't it? And I can imitate a CD that is skipping. Here, check it out. Uh-oh. I have like 3 minutes left. One of these days, I'll make a video about nothing. That's gonna be the name of the video. I'm just gonna be sitting around this chair, looking pretty. And for me, that's very hard. I wouldn't look prettier if I was wearing a dress. Actually, that'd make me look worse than what I do now. Yep, when I look in the mirror, my reflection has its back turned. Unless that was the window, and there was a stranger outside. Anyways, I'm so weird, and strange, and bizarre, and loony, that I don't even make no sense. And ain't a word, and I ain't gonna say it. Because if I said ain't, then I'd be saying that ain't is a word, and ain't a word, so I ain't gonna say it. And that didn't make any sense whatsoever. Well, I guess I'll be going now. I know you're gonna miss me. I know you're gonna miss me. I can't think nothing else. Goodbye. See you later. Well, then after you're gonna see you later, you're just gonna see me. And you'll be watching me, so you'll watch me later. Well, no. You're not gonna watch me later. Cause I'm not wasting your time. I know it. In fact, as you was watching this video, I sensed that you didn't like it. You was bored, and you're probably gonna post annoying comments on this video. Ooh, and I can't wait to reply to it too.